Finish the operations and pointers. We know different operations, right? First, arithmetic operations we discuss. Arithmetic operations and pointers. Arithmetic operations and pointers. Okay, what are the arithmetic operations? See, if I take a two pointers, example star P1 and star P2. Two pointers, if you take P1 plus P2, this is error. P1 into P2 is
Yes.
also error. Okay, P1 by P2, this is also error. We should not add two pointers and we should not do this any operation between the two pointers. These all are illegal operations. Only it supports P1 minus P2 it supports. What is mean by P1 minus P2? This is valid. What is this valid? It's not normal subtraction. It's not normal subtraction. It's a pointer subtraction. Number of values between the two addresses. Number of values between the two addresses means example P1 is 1000, assume P1 is 1000, P2 is 2000. These two addresses between the two addresses, how many values can fit? Example C, that formula is what? Address difference by that is a formula. Number of values equals to okay, address difference by this is a formula. Address difference by size of data type. Address difference by size of data type. Size of data type. This is a formula. Address difference by size of data type. Clear it is? Okay, now if I go to P1 minus P2, two addresses I will take. Example is a P1 and P2 also take it. How to take a P2? P2 address. Star P2 equals to, right? Into star of, otherwise warning message will occur. Nothing will happen. If warnings also we can execute the program. Clear screen, it removes the previous output. See now, I want to write a address now. Number of values. How to write a number of values? Percentile P1 minus P2. P1 minus P2. If I write P1 minus P2, address difference. Address difference by size of data type. Address difference is how much? 1000 minus 2000. How it takes? It takes this 1000 minus 2000 by size of data type is integer. Now how it returns? 1000 minus 2000. How much? How much? 1000 minus 2000.
Minus
1000?
1000.
Yeah, 1000 by 2. It returns minus 500. 500 values can fit between the two addresses. Are you following? How many values can fit between the two addresses? Only it supports P1 minus P2. P1 minus P2, that is number of values between the two addresses. Okay, write this program. First write this and write this program. Finished, huh?
Yes, sir.
Finished, right? Okay, one example, I will give you example. Guys, tell me the output. Int x equals to some value and y equals to 10. You understood, right? X and y. Now, address of x minus and address of y value is how much? Is it valid first?
No, sir.
Is it valid or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if it is valid, what is the answer?
2.
2. Sure?
No, 1, 1.
1. Manoj, Lohit.
2, sir.
Lohit. 2. Lohit.
Sir, in scanner statement we use scan pass and no, sir.
No. Address of x minus address of y I said, right?
Yes.
Guess what is the address of x address? Guess some address.
We don't know, sir.
We don't know. Okay. In stack somewhere, take one base address, any address. Example, take one address.
4.
Okay, example, if I take 534, assume it is 534. X value stored in what are the 2 bytes? Tell me.
534 and 535.
535.
534 and 535. Good. Next, where y value will be stored?
33 and
536 and
3.
32 and
33.
33.
33. Okay. Now, address of x means, what is address of x? 34. Yes or no?
34.
Yes, sir.
Minus y address means
3.
32.
32.
What is the formula here?
Address difference by size.
Address difference by size of data. 34, right? It's a 34 minus, are you following? 34 minus 32. 34 minus 32 by, this is how much? 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Size of data type is how much?
2.
2. 2 by 2 is how much?
1.
Yes or no? See the output? Okay, now.
Yes, sir.
That is a formula. Okay, size difference by size of data type. It is size difference by size of data type. Okay, next. Only it supports P1 minus P2. Remaining all P1 plus P2 is everything is invalid. Address plus address. We should not write address plus address. One error. See the error? Invalid pointer addition. Are you following what I'm saying, right?
Yes.
Only it supports address minus address, it supports. Okay, next. Next, guys, see this. These all are illegal operations. Next, what? Address plus number. Okay, address plus number. Is it valid or not? Address plus number is valid. This is valid. And address minus number also. Address plus number is valid. And address minus number also valid. Both are valid. Address minus number also valid. Remaining operations. What are the remaining operations? Example, P1 into 5. Okay, P1 plus 5, it supports. P1 minus 5, it supports. Okay, address plus number, address minus number, it supports. Address remaining, address into number, these all are errors. P1 by 5, P1 percentile 5, these are illegal operations, errors. This is error, this is also error, and this is also error. This is error, this is error, and this is error. These all are errors. Okay, now write this point. Next one, arithmetic